Good morning. I'm so tired. I swear every car I own is destined to have the Dodge Avenger skin on it. And right now I can't get a car wash because I'm scared of the front. I don't know what would happen if I get a car wash. With the bumper damage, I don't know. I'm sure it would be fine, but I don't want to take any risks. So I'm waiting till after I get it repaired, but it's great. At least it wasn't totaled, right? Oh, look, I got the flowers as soon as I go into the car. The beautiful flowers. Well, I've made it to Panera. I have to do some more Panera work, but I brushed my teeth, I took a shower, all that stuff. Now it's time to work. We're here. We made it. We made it in the Tesla. Very good. So when I go to Panera, I like to take everything out of my backpack that I don't need for when I'm in there, because it just is too much stuff. But now I get to pack it all up again. I should get a third I should get a third one that just has only what I need usually. That'd be smart. That'd be smart, but you know how it goes. Well, now that that's done, I have more work that I gotta do. I don't want to do it, but I can do it in the car now, which is great. The MacBook Neo, it's so fantastic, dude. I need to think about where am I gonna go. I don't know, man. I'm gonna think about it. Do I charge the Tesla or do I not? 45%, man.
What you doing?
I am about to leave Panera.
Oh, nice. Did you eat?
I had a free cookie for my birthday.
Oh, that's it?
Huh? Well, yeah, it was an 800-calorie cookie.
No, oh, that's good.
It was good. It's the best cookie that they have.
What kind of cookie was it?
It's a kitchen sink cookie. It has a lot of random stuff in it.
Yeah?
The whole kitchen sink.
The whole kitchen sink.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully it's a clean kitchen sink and not a dirty kitchen sink.
Hopefully, but we're gonna find out.
How can I help you?
Hi, I have a lab in a couple days, and I was just calling to ask if there's anything I need to do to prepare in advance for that, like fasting or anything else.
Yeah, I'm just gonna check the labs and see if any of them are fasting. Okay, it doesn't look like any of the labs are fasting.
Okay, so is there anything I need to do to prepare, or not?
Of course. I'm just gonna check the equipment itself and see if maybe the provider wanted you to fast or get anything done beforehand.
Okay.
Okay, it looks like the provider does want you to fast from the night before. You can drink water. You're okay with water, just no food. Can I help you out with anything else today?
No, that's all for today. Thank you.
Of course. I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Thank you for calling Enterprise Rent-A-Car. For quality assurance, your call may be monitored or recorded.
So can you confirm as well, ma'am, if this is an insurance rental or are you paying out of pocket?
It's an insurance rental.
Thank you so much for that. So let me just try to pull it up here. One moment.
I got the zip code whenever you're ready.
I was born to be ready, Mr. Russell.
What was that?
I was born to be ready.
Oh, yeah. That's good. That's good. I don't know how long it will take to do the repairs. Is that a problem, or is it just I don't know how all this works. I don't know if there's a return date set yet or not.
That's actually totally fine. So you can just give us a call back if the body shop already informed you if your vehicle is about to be fixed.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, they said it might take around a week, but maybe more, maybe less. So that's that. I probably about a week, but I'm not sure.
Thank you for your participation. Your feedback is very important to us. Please rate the quality of service you just received.
No. If you want product feedback, pay me for it. It's a paid job. I'm not gonna do it for free. While we're here, I have a bunch of trash that I need to deal with. So I'm here ready to pick up Alexis from work. Gotta make some room for him here. Trash bag. Let's get some of this. Let's get all this trash out of here as best we can. Gotta stay clean and organized when you are in your car. You gotta have trash bags. Keep all the trash in one bag. Once it gets full, get rid of it. Don't just have trash out and about because it will build up quickly in such a small space. And you don't want that. Well, maybe you do, but I don't want that. Welcome.
Hello. I'm really tired.
You're tired from work. Aw. Don't worry, you can rest now.
Yeah.
Where are we right now? What are we doing?
We are right now at AT&T, and I'm trying to get an iPhone 17 Pro Max because my phone is dying.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to get a good deal.
Switching to iPhone, are you? Well, you're the target audience,
I'm betraying Android. My Samsung, my beautiful, my Shayla, my Shayla.
Well, let's see what happens. Who knows? AT&T. Yeah.
Guys, I got it. Oh, this looks so juicy.
That's so exciting. Oh, that peel. It's very appealing.
Oh, the color. The color is beautiful. It's the color of my phone, actually.
Are you impressed with the design of it?
Yes.
I'm holding an iPhone. It's booting. It almost slipped out of my hands. It's booting. It does feel really premium. I've been impressed with Apple recently. I got the MacBook Neo. I was not expecting it to be as impressive as it is.
I never had a phone that it was recent. I always had like a phone that it was always just like 5 years older. Damn, you have a huge arm right now. What the hell? What you did?
I've been going to the gym months ago, but it's not recently. I haven't been able to.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to Best Buy and get a case because I don't want to destroy it immediately. I've done that before. I got a phone, and later that day, it fell out of my pocket and shattered. That was years ago, but
my sisters are gonna kill me.
Show me that phone case.
Oh, it's hard. It's kind of hard. Look.
Is it? That is nice. That'll be good. Well, I'm rendering the first video. That's me. That's so cool. I have to urinate. I'm gonna go inside of Walmart to urinate. Great place to urinate. That's the strat for using the restroom, is park at a store that is open as long as you want to be awake, and if not, then you have a backup bottle in your car with which inside of you can deposit your urine. That's what you got to do sometimes, but make sure the windows are covered if you do that. The MacBook Neo is look how tiny and small this is, and I can edit video on it. It's insane. It's insane. This is so cool. Look at this. I have the little dongle for my mouse though, but I need a Bluetooth mouse, but it's an USB-A mouse. That's the only weird thing, is that there's only 2 USB-C ports, but it doesn't matter. Dongle life forever. I am far too tired to continue right now, so I'm not going to. It's time to prepare to go to sleep, so we have to move to the spot and to set up for sleep. I'm so tired right now. How do you like your phone?
I love it.
Give me your review so far. You're half a day using it.
I can definitely tell why a lot of people say that it's great. I don't know what else to explain with it. It's just like it's so good.
So good day today? Yeah, successful day.
Yes, definitely.
Of course, before we go to sleep, we get the front camera visibility limited error, which it's either going to be easy to fix or not. I'm just going to clean off the camera on the windshield and hope that fixes that, but that's a problem. That's a problem. So this is the top of the Tesla. That's the camera right there. First thing I'm going to do is check and see if it looks like it's hazy, which it doesn't at all. So I don't know why it would be saying that. Well, maybe it is actually. It kind of, oh yeah, you know what? It completely is. It is completely crazy on the inside. I'm gonna clean it anyway. Clean it with wet paper towel. That's what we're gonna do. But the inside is completely hazy and it needs to be cleaned. Man, that really just, that sucks. So basically what that means is that the camera that faces outside is inside the car, behind the windshield, and there is something that's causing haziness on the inside of the windshield in front of the camera, and that needs, the whole camera has to come off and the windshield has to be cleaned and then the camera put back on. And you can do it yourself, but I should be able to have Tesla do it for free because it is under warranty still. I've had this car for like 3 weeks. It shouldn't be happening already, so, but it is something that happens. It is something that happens. We'll see what happens with that, but I'll deal with that another time. Not tonight. Not tonight. I gotta go to sleep. I just might not be able to use full self-driving. That's the only problem that it would cause, really. That's it. Throw it in reverse. Boom. Got my cameras. Time for sleep. Boom. Well, let's see if it self-drives or not. Temporarily, well, it's not. If it's just not gonna work ever. Well, it's going. Well, it is working. So, that's something. I'm tired. It's time to go to sleep, so good night. I will see you all tomorrow.